I'm Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. One of the most common and emotional questions I get after an embryo transfer is, when can I do my pregnancy test? Many couples feel anxious and want to check early, but testing too soon can also lead to confusion and unnecessary stress. So let's today talk about the right time to take the test and why early testing is not such a good idea. Let's try to understand what happens after embryo transfer first. After the embryo transfer, your body goes through a very delicate process. If the embryo implants successfully in the uterine lining, it starts releasing a hormone called HCG. It's also called as the pregnancy hormone, human chorionic gonadotropin. But here's the key point. It takes a few days after implantation for HCG to build up to detectable levels in your blood or urine. So doing a pregnancy test too early might not show you the results even if implantation has already happened. So then when is the right time to do the test? The timing depends on whether you had a day 3 embryo transfer or a day 5, which is called as a blastocyst transfer. After a day 3 embryo transfer, the blood pregnancy test called as the beta HCG is usually done after 14 days. After day 5 embryo transfer, it can be done a little earlier, around 10 to 12 days after transfer. This blood test is the most reliable and accurate way to confirm pregnancy. Urine home tests can sometimes miss early pregnancies or give false positives. So there are a few drawbacks of early testing. Many patients test early, sometimes just 5 to 6 days after transfer, but this can be misleading for several reasons. To begin with, false negatives. If you test too early, your body might not have produced enough HCG yet. The test may show negative even though you are actually pregnant. This can cause unnecessary disappointment, isn't it? Next is false positive. If you took an HCG trigger injection before the egg retrieval, the medicine can stay in your body for 7 to 10 days. Testing early can detect that injection hormone, not a real pregnancy, which can lead to false hope. And then emotional stress is also involved. Seeing an unclear or faint line can make you anxious and confused. It's better to wait and test at a correct time for a clear, reliable result. Remember, embryos implant at different times. Some implant on day 6, others as late as day 8, day 9, day 10 after transfer. So even if you test early, you might just be testing before implantation has occurred. So what is the best way to confirm pregnancy? The most accurate method is a blood beta HCG test done at your fertility center about 12 to 14 days after embryo transfer. If it's positive, it usually is repeated after 2 to 3 days to see if the HCG levels are doubling normally. This helps us confirm that the pregnancy is progressing well and before doing the first scan. So let me summarize. Don't rush to test too early. Wait for at least 10 to 14 days after embryo transfer, depending on your embryo type. Prefer a blood test over a urine test for accurate results. Patience during these 2-week wait is not easy, but it's worth it. Testing at the right time gives you a clear answer and protects you from unnecessary emotional stress. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.